Hello YouTubers, today I am reviewing Siemens coffee machine model EQ500 Classic. I got a good deal of this coffee machine. We are, due to pandemic we are not going to the office, so I was looking for a nice coffee machine, so I got a better deal at Giganten in Sweden. So I think I'm satisfied the way it has been preparing coffee for me. Of course, the quality depends on the kind of beans that you use, but I'm happy and satisfied from this. So I will prepare a coffee that you can also take a look. So just to provide you a review about this, so here you can see it has several options. You can have milk froth for hot chocolate, or you can have cafe latte, espresso latte, americano, etc. And then here you can see you can put in the coffee beans, and it has 3 grinding settings. And of course this glass protects it from direct light for longer life of coffee beans. Here you can put more of a grinded coffee, maximum 2 spoons. And this is the cup warmer that keeps the cup warm. And here you have the jug, basically. If I can show it from here, it's a quite big cup jug, about 1.5 to 2 liters. So you can easily put it. This is removable, so you don't have to remove the whole jug. You can easily fill in. There it is. And here you have the nozzle that you can move up or down as per the coffee cup size. And this is basically the milk frother. So let's prepare a cup of coffee and show you how it is. So let's turn on the machine, and here it's going to clean the system. So it auto cleans itself whenever you will start the machine. And you can see here I've just placed the cup. Okay, now I think it's ready for the coffee. So let's prepare the cup of coffee. You can select from espresso, cafe crema, cappuccino, latte macchiato, or froth. And you can also select the quantity, so I will go for cappuccino, and I think 180 milliliter is fine for me. And I've just put the milk here, and I will simply click start. So it's brewing now, so you can see. I love the smoke that comes out. So a nice cup of coffee is ready. It says enjoy. So let's see. It's delicious. It's really good. It also depends on the coffee beans, but I really enjoy it. You can see the froth on it. I think I've been using it for the past 2 months, and I'm really happy. The only drawback is that the coffee is not very hot as you receive it from the coffee shops, but I think this is deliberately because they do not want you to wait for the coffee to get cold. Most probably it's pretty warm, but it's not very hot. But I will enjoy this coffee now in this climate in Sweden, -14 outside with my son playing out. And please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, please click the bell icon, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Thank you. Bye.